Earlier this year, we introduced Regalia, a residence designed with intention, crafted for those who value timeless living. Many chose to believe in something that had not yet risen from the ground, not because they saw concrete, but because they trusted the vision. Today, that vision has taken its first step. Ground has been broken, construction has begun, and the promise is being kept. At Imaani Homes, we believe luxury goes beyond exceptional design. It is confidence that every commitment will be matched by action. Every landmark development begins with a promise. Its reputation is built by keeping it. Today, Regalia begins that journey. If you are waiting for proof, this is your moment. The journey has begun. A new landmark begins. Regalia, reserved for the refined.